Hey everyone! Big thanks to our new subscribers for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that button to stay updated with the latest and hottest car accessories on Amazon. And if you like the item featured in this video, you'll find the product link down below. Get ready to upgrade your Hyundai Ioniq. We've rounded up the top 10 best-selling accessories on Amazon that every Ioniq owner needs. From number 10 all the way to the ultimate number 1 must-have. Let's dive in. Dry carbon fiber roof. Antenna cover. Trim for Hyundai Ioniq 5 NNESE 2022 to 2024. All-weather car floor mats and cargo liner. Set fit for Hyundai Ioniq 5. Movable console 2025. For 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 5 screen protector, SE standard range, SE SEL limited XRT. Lower center console organizer tray, compatible with Hyundai Ioniq 520, 22 to 2024.
And just make note that, Ioniq 5's charger is down here, the wireless charger, so it in no way affects your ability to get to this charger. You're able to do both at the same time. So if I decide not to charge my phone, I can simply store it over here, and it works great.
Fitcamx 4 K-Cam, suitable for Hyundai Ioniq 520, 25 and 2024. Ioniq 5N. 4-pack HEPA cabin air filter fits for Hyundai Ioniq 5. Windshield sunshade, custom fit, Hyundai Ioniq 520, 22 to 2025. Hyundai Ioniq 5. Cargo cover, trunk cover, 2022 to 2026. Magnetic phone, mount for Ioniq, 520, 22 to 2025. Key fob cover for Hyundai Ioniq, 2025-2024. Hey there! Got a suggestion for my next video? Drop it in the comments. Your ideas drive this channel. See you in the comments.
Stay updated on Amazon's best automotive products and viral finds. Click subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on our latest video.